Computing power refers to the capability of a computing system or device to perform complex computations and processing tasks in a given time frame. The computing power of a system is usually measured in terms of its processing speed, which is measured in Hz, Hz, or gigahertz, GHz. It is a critical factor in determining the performance of a computer or any other digital device. Computing power depends on several factors, including the type and speed of the processor, the amount and type of memory, the storage capacity, the speed and type of input-output devices, and the software and operating system running on the system. The more powerful the processor and other components are, the faster the system can perform computations. There are several measures of computing power, including clock speed. This refers to the number of cycles per second that the processor can execute. A higher clock speed means that the processor can execute more instructions per second, leading to faster processing. Instructions per second. This measures the number of instructions that a processor can execute in 1 second. A higher number of instructions per second indicates a more powerful processor. Flops. Floating point operations per second. This measures the number of floating point calculations that a computer can perform in 1 second. It is a measure of a computer's ability to perform complex mathematical calculations, such as those used in scientific and engineering applications. MIPS. Millions of instructions per second. This measures the number of instructions that a processor can execute in 1 second. It is commonly used to compare the performance of different processors. The computing power of a system can be increased by upgrading its components, such as adding more memory, a faster processor, or a more powerful graphics card. Additionally, parallel computing, which involves dividing a large computing task into smaller ones and executing them simultaneously on multiple processors, can also significantly increase computing power. In conclusion, computing power is a crucial factor in determining the performance and capabilities of a computing system or device. It depends on several factors and can be increased by upgrading components or using parallel computing techniques.